Right, just to show you the new .email features. Basically, what email do you want to build? And what it will do is take the information you input here. It could be just a sentence, what you require, or the whole text. So I've got the text that I've been given from a restaurant in this case. And what I need to do is paste it into here, and it will make me a template that I can use anywhere. So for email marketing, for blog posts, for sharing on social media, etc. So I'll bring in the text. This is the text. Happy Mother's Day. So I copy all that and I paste it in here. And what happens is it reads the text and puts it onto a lovely display like this. So in this case, Happy Mother's Day. And you can see it's got colors behind each section here. I'll scroll down. Got a telephone number, so you can click and it will call on mobile devices, and the address. So it also supplies the code here. So if you've got something that allows you to embed the HTML code, just copy this code and paste it into your embed section on the web page or wherever, and it will come out looking like this. Now with my email provider, they accept code, but because I was on the free program, they said I'd have to upgrade. So what I did, I went back to the preview and clicked on send, and it sent a copy to my own email address. And I copied that email literally by highlighting and doing that right across the whole template. And I pasted that into the same email program as a text input, and it came out perfectly formatted like this. So it's called new.email, and if you go /chat, it will come to the chat that I was showing you earlier. So that's all you need to do. Put in any prompts and it will bring you a perfectly formatted email to use anywhere. So you'll be consistent across all your posting online.